How to fix Cash App won't let me cash out money. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me cash out money. The first step is to launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is the Cash App profile section of your account. Here, there are various sections you can use to access different features of the app. After that, scroll down a little bit and come to this part of the page. Once you are here, make sure you tap this option named Linked Banks. Here, you will see all the cards and banks that are connected to your Cash App account. Sometimes these cards may have expired, so ensure you check and confirm all your cards are working well and the issue is not them. After you have confirmed, come back to the main profile page just like you can see here. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, make sure you tap this option named Support. Wait for the page to finish loading. This is the Cash App support page. Here, there are various options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of your Cash App account. Also, the sections that are here can be used to find solutions to issues you face on the app. From them, the one we need is this one here. Make sure you tap it. After that, this page will appear where there are different options related to withdrawals. From the options here, make sure you tap this one named Can't Withdraw. This page appears. On this page, there is an option named Chat. Make sure you tap on it. You will land on the feedback box of the Cash App, where you are supposed to type a message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like you can see here. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. That is, how to fix Cash App won't let me cash out money.